Top 5 latest leaks of DJI Avata 360. Number 1. The DJI Avata 360 is rumored to introduce a powerful dual-sensor 360-degree camera system capable of recording up to 8K immersive video with advanced stabilization, while also supporting high-quality 4K FPV recording, making it a major imaging upgrade designed for creators who want both cinematic and FPV performance in a single drone. Number 2. Leaked information suggests the Avata 360 may feature full omnidirectional obstacle avoidance using advanced visual sensors and possible LiDAR integration, which would significantly improve flight safety and confidence, especially during immersive FPV and 360-degree capture. Number 3. One of the most exciting leaks points to a mechanically rotating camera module that allows the drone to switch seamlessly between full 360-degree capture and a forward-facing FPV mode, effectively combining two creative shooting styles into one compact flying platform. Number 4. Pricing leaks from multiple reports indicate that DJI may position the Avata 360 as a surprisingly affordable option, with a standalone price expected to be under $450 and bundled kits remaining well below traditional FPV flagship pricing. Number 5. Documents linked to regulatory filings reveal that the Avata 360 could include a significantly larger battery rated around 38.6 watt-hours, potentially delivering up to 25 to 32 minutes of flight time even with the added power demands of 360-degree video recording.